Where does the name Bangor come from? Bangor is a small village in the north of Wales, and originally it comes from an old Welsh word, which was the binding piece of wood along the top of an enclosure made of wattle, which is a little bit like wicker but thicker. It's called that because originally the first church was set up here where the cathedral was in the middle of town by St Dainiol in the 6th century. And even though the original wattle enclosures disappeared, actually the edge of the wall that follows around the edge of the church is where the original wall was, just overlooking, down at the bottom, what would have been the river Taran, the Avon Taran, which means Thunder River. It's all underneath the city now, but it's named after, potentially, either the sound of the river thundering, or after the god Taranis, who was the god of thunder to the ancient Celts. Subscribe for more.